Comprehensive Roofing Solutions by EagleRidge Roofing Services. EagleRidge Roofing Services offers comprehensive roofing solutions for residents and businesses in Cedar Hills, Utah, including the neighboring zip codes 84062. As a trusted local contractor, EagleRidge specializes in residential and commercial roofing projects, providing new installations, repairs, and maintenance services. Our skilled professionals work with a range of materials, including asphalt shingles, metal, and flat roofing systems, ensuring durability and longevity. At EagleRidge, we are focused on customer satisfaction and transparent communication. Our goal is to exceed expectations and deliver exceptional results for every roofing project, whether it's a new roof installation, routine maintenance, or emergency repair. Our services also include storm damage assessments, gutter installation, ice and water shield installation, soffits and fascia installation and repair, shake shingle sealing and treatment, as well as attic and roof ventilation solutions. For commercial properties, EagleRidge provides comprehensive services such as commercial roof installation and replacement, flat roof repair, and installation of metal and membrane roofing systems. We also offer preventative maintenance programs through our EagleRidge Peak Protection Plan, roof coatings to extend roof life, siding installation and maintenance, ventilation solutions, and commercial-grade sealing and caulking. We are dedicated to ensuring that every project is completed to the highest standards with a focus on quality craftsmanship and customer satisfaction. For all your roofing needs in Cedar Hills, Utah, call us at 801-784-1457 and visit our website at eagleridgepros.com to discover why we are the trusted choice for roofing services in the area.